Consider you are working as a Jira administrator. You wanted to get details about your projects through API calls. How you will get it? These details are abstractions of project role, creation of project role, as well as whenever you want to get rule details, we can also do it very quickly. In this video, I will show you how you can get project role, project role details, create project role, as well as some other API calls. If you wanted to learn more about Jira REST API, feel free to hit like and subscribe this channel. And don't forget to press bell icon. So whenever I will upload a new video, it will get notified to you. Let's begin with getting rule details in Jira REST API. Assuming you are already aware of how we can use endpoints into Jira API, as well as you should also aware of it how we can get it authenticated. If not, feel free to refer my previous video for authentications. I will also include the URL in descriptions tab, which will help you to get it configured your authentications as well as endpoints. Post this, we are going to add REST API, then the versions and then rule, because I wanted to get details from REST API. My HTTP method is get. I will send this request. I will get all the rules which is available within my Jira instance. Here, these rules are project managers, developers, admins, all those rules are available. If I wanted to get all the rules from my instance, I have to fire this query. If I wanted to get rule details, in that case, here I will add rule details and click on send. So each rule detail, I have to send this. Now, exactly same way, I wanted to create a new rule. In this case, we'll add these curly braces and add descriptions. Within the descriptions, I'm defining a project rule that represents developers. Instead of this, I'm adding tester. After this, we'll add name, and here we'll define tester as the name. I wanted to create rule in my instance. In this case, I will click on send. This rule will be created successfully. It means it's not taking too much time. It is creating rule immediately. And this rule will be added successfully in my Jira instance where we have this ID generated. Assume you wanted to delete any of those rules. So in that case, we have to just add the ID, and in HTTP methods, we have to select delete. I will remove this part because we are deleting it. Click on send and this rule will be deleted successfully. Now, earlier it's used to delete it. That's the reason when I'm firing this, it will not showcase anything. That's how we can delete the rule as well. Along with this, if we wanted to get rule within the projects, that can be also possible to extract it. And how we can do it, let me show you. Here we have to add REST API 3 project and then the project ID or key. And after that, we can add rule. Once we'll add this and we'll select get method. After this, when send this query, it will extract rule for me. And this is how these rules will be generated. Exactly same way, if I want, I can even get rule details. I will click on send and these rules details will be extracted where we can see each of the rules, type, project name, ID, configurations and everything. That's how we can extract rule details as well as creating new rule. Along with this, even we can delete any rules which we don't want. That's how we can use Jira REST API for creation of new rule through REST API calls, extractions of new rule or existing rule, as well as rule details. Along with this, if we want, even we can delete the rules. So consider a scenario where we are working on any projects and we don't have any UI interactions of Jira Cloud. In that case, we can get it integrated with the API calls, and within this API calls, we can create a rule, extract rule details, as well as if we have too many rules are included, we can even delete it. Along with this, if we want, we can even get rule data to be extracted with details. These details, we can use it for our further projects planning. That's how we can create rule, delete, and even extract any rules from the Jira Cloud. If you wanted to learn more about Jira REST API, feel free to refer my REST API playlist. It will help you understand each and everything from details. That's all from today. We'll see you in next video. Thank you.